Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 4th, 2021. The third Sudoku or puzzle. This one is a binary puzzle number 2419. Alright, before I start, I always count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double one here, and O, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Now we have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright, between two O's comes an 1, between two O's comes an 1, between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O. Now we have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Then. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So 1, 2, 3, the third O, the fourth O. So this should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Wow! 3 minutes without any comparing. I like this one. I like this binary one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today in the additional 8 tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.